Right now, this storm looks like it's going to be headed for millions of people. It's going to be a transitioning system, meaning that perfect storm type scenario. We just got the 11 o'clock advisory. It was a Category 3 major hurricane overnight.
I'm gonna show you how to take care of you. Show you how to take care of you.
What's going on, man? What that brush do? You already know how WTBD get down. Anyways, welcome back to the famous green room, man. It's your boy, Hurricane. No, I'm just playing, man. It's your boy, Hurricane Hero, though, man. What's going on with y'all? Anyways, today I got a special video for y'all, man, because I get to do my first product review. And not only do I get to do my first product review, I get to do it for one of my WTBD teammates. And not only do I get to do it for one of my WTBD teammates, I get to do it for one of the hottest products on the market. And it's this stuff right here. HD Waves. Shout out to my boy, Michael Stevens. We call him Miseroni, Mr. Misery. Hey, man, we have fun in our team. Our team all about fun, man. We a family. But anyways, what we trying to do is we trying to move the wave game, man. That's what we out here trying to do, man. We trying to bring the wave game to the world. But right now, I'm trying to tell y'all about this great product that I'm holding in my hands. I know I'm rambling on, so let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, let's get up close and personal with this product. So let's check out the container before we even get started. Have the Exotic Plus Wave Defining Deep Conditioning Hold Level 3. There's 3 different kinds. So you see the logo there. Let's see what this says. It says Guaranteed Hair Texture Enhancer. Excellent shine and hold. All natural Brazilian Amazonian rainforest butters. This is where you can get it from. www.hdwaves.com. Or if you're on Facebook, you can hit up Michael Stevens again. So let's go ahead and screw off this cap. Now it's funny that he chose the blue, green, and white for his theme, because when you pop this open, the first thing that hits your nose is the smell of Sprite. It's like that lemon lime kind of smell. So this is what it looks like up close. It's a pomade. Now, if you ever watch one of Hurricane Hero's videos, you haven't seen me use any pomades, because I really don't use pomades. But as you can see, I've been pretty much digging in this one right here, man. I can't get enough of it. But I still use it in small amounts. All the time to hold my wolf down. Been wolfing for 5 weeks, growing my hair for 7 weeks, so I've been using it like the last 2 weeks. But I'm gonna tell you what I've gotten from it. So when you dig into this, as you can see, you can dig in it pretty easily for a pomade. Now it does feel like pomade, has like a pomade kind of feel still, but it's more softer than a lot of pomades. It's not as wax, has that waxy kind of feel. It melts in your hand almost like a butter. Easy the washout pomade also. You can take a look at the texture again. It's kind of like a butter, but it's more, like it says, it has a whole level of 3, so it definitely has that whole pomade feel still. But the look, when you know how when you have the regular pomades, the shine is kind of gives you like that plastic shine when you use like Sporting Waves or Murray's or something like that. This right here, it gives me a shine like when I use my butters or anything like that, oils. So that's the main thing that I like about this. I don't necessarily like pomade still, but this is starting to turn me around. Like I say, my wolf I'm 5 weeks wolfing right now. I've been growing my hair for 7 weeks. I'm gonna probably go 1 more week before I get a haircut, and I'm gonna just keep using this right here. And I've been using a little moisturizer also, but this is the main thing I've been using to hold my wolf down. This and shower brushing. But let's go ahead and get into how I use this stuff, man. Alright, if you want to follow along with me at home, what you're going to need today, you're just going to need your towel. We got 2 of them actually. One to dry my face, one for the hot towel method. So what I'm going to do is just turn my water on and do the hot towel. I only usually do the hot towel method when I'm putting in pomade. And what I like to do is I do it before and I do the cold towel after. And that's only when I put in pomade. So alright, once you do that, just wring your towel out, put it on your head. Alright, once you've done the hot towel method for a while, you're ready to start. Now, before you even put pomade or anything like that in your hair, you want to make sure your hair is pretty much laid before you even start. So now that I did that, what I'm going to do is just grab my HD waves. You can put in a moisturizer before if you like. I'm just going to put a little bit of this in.
Rub it till your hands get hot.
Heard somebody say that before on YouTube, but yeah, man, just rub it in with the grain of your pattern. If you had 720s, you'll be rubbing like this, or 540s, be rubbing like that. So rub with your pattern. I'm gonna take 1 more for the back. It's about half that size what I just used. Once I get the product in my hair, just hit it with this brush, hit it with the 8159 for a couple strokes. See how hard it is for me to brush my hair? That's why you always wait till the end to put in your products. Unless you like working harder than what you got to. Then I just rub it down. Now it may look like my hair is not held down. You can put in more if you like, but this is all I need. Once I put on my do-rag is gonna do most of the work now. But this, once it dries, it's gonna have a nice hold on it. So now all I'm gonna do is use the cold towel method to seal everything in, close my pores back up. Grab your do-rag, sue-rag, or your boo-boo. Whatever you're gonna be using as your compression. I'm gonna be using both. Hey man, my video got cut off while I was recording. I didn't know, but I was pretty much done anyway, man. All I did was put this on top. But before I go, I want to give a quick shout out to my boy Michael Stevens again for the product. Y'all go and make sure y'all check that out. www.hdwaves.com. It's a real good product, man. Never seen a pomade like it before. Y'all go check out Waves Are Life on Facebook, Waves Are Life Facebook group. And that's pretty much it, man. Gotta let y'all get up out of here. Before I go though, y'all already know what I'm about to say. If you ain't got you none, you better grab a brush and get you some, huh? Grab a comb and get you some, huh? Grab a do-rag and get you some, huh? Grab a mirror and get you some, huh? Man, grab you some HD waves and get you some, huh? Man, just grab you anything and just get you some. See y'all later.